Image Weave allows you to select a bounding contour that then the Image Weave contours will be generated inside of. So to demonstrate that, I'm going to use the Polycurve tool and zoom in on the lens here and quickly rough out the shape of this lens with polycurves. Right-click to exit, right-click again, and select Node Edit. Now I can come in here and edit the handles of these polycurves, and I can use the Shift key to align the handles. That way I get a smooth boundary. That looks pretty good. Okay, close out of that and zoom back to the plate. Now I can select the contour and I'm going to size it up because I want this to be the boundary that then I'm going to generate contours within. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to use the arrow keys to realign it slightly to get more of the face, and now I'm ready to go. So now I can select everything and go to the Edit ribbon, select Image Weave. I'm going to be doing an offset weave, which will create offsets in from my boundary. So all I need to do is select the boundary, and then you can see that it highlights blue to indicate that that is being treated as the boundary. Now when I click Apply, I get an image weave of this picture generated within that boundary. Zooming in on the selection, I can go to the View tab and Shade Contours, and there you can see that image is embedded in my design within that boundary that I have selected. That's it for this demo in Ibex.